Good morning everyone. Today I want to talk in English with you, not like a teacher talking alone, but like a friend learning together with you. Many people think English is very difficult, but the real problem is not English, the real problem is fear. People are afraid of making mistakes, afraid of grammar, and afraid of speaking in front of others. Let me tell you something very clearly. Mistakes are normal, even experts make mistakes, and learning starts only when you speak. When you practice English daily, even for 10 minutes, your brain slowly starts understanding the language. You do not need to speak fast. You do not need big words. You only need confidence and consistency. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak every day. If you stop practicing, you will never improve. If you keep practicing, improvement is guaranteed. Many learners wait for motivation, but motivation is not reliable. Some days you will feel excited, some days you will feel tired. That is why discipline is more important than motivation. Make English part of your daily life. Talk to yourself, repeat sentences, listen carefully, and practice with simple words. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not from watching videos silently. If you are watching this video, it means you want to improve, and that itself is a good sign. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. One small improvement every day is enough. Learning English is a journey, not a race. If this video helps you, please support the channel. Like this video, share it with someone who wants to learn English, and subscribe to this channel for daily English practice videos. We learn together, we grow together. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing.